In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Smartsheet files effortlessly. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or just looking for a refresher on how to export your data, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in and walk through the process of exporting your sheets or reports directly into Excel. First, you'll want to begin by opening the sheet or report you intend to download within Smartsheet. As you navigate your way around, always ensure you're looking at the right document. This step is foundational. Opening the wrong sheet could lead you to download unnecessary data, so double-check that you're in the right place before proceeding. Once you have the correct sheet open, the magic happens up in the menu bar. Head over to where it says File. This menu is a powerhouse of options that help manage your document in Smartsheet. As you hover over or click on File, you'll see various options drop down in a list. From these, you'll select Export. This feature is essential for moving your Smartsheet data to other formats that might be more compatible with the software you frequently use, like Microsoft Excel. Following your click on Export, another submenu will pop up. Here, you'll find an option that reads Export to Microsoft Excel. Select this option with a simple click. What this does is convert your Smartsheet document into an Excel file format, specifically an .xlsx file. This is one of the most widely used Excel formats, ensuring your document retains its formatting and data integrity when viewed or manipulated in Excel. Now, the beauty of this process lies in its simplicity. As soon as you opt to export to Microsoft Excel, the download will commence automatically. Your file will typically go to your default Downloads folder, although this may vary depending on your browser and device settings. Be sure to confirm where your downloads are saved. This little extra step can save you time when trying to locate your file later. Once downloaded, you should see your Smartsheet document neatly converted into an Excel file. If you're ready to view or edit, just go ahead and open it directly in Excel. You'll find all the data from your original Smartsheet document right at your fingertips, preserved in Excel's familiar and versatile interface. And there you have it. Downloading a Smartsheet into Excel is straightforward and efficient, allowing for seamless integration with the breadth of Excel's tools for further data manipulation or presentation. Make sure to practice this workflow a few times to get comfortable with the steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more practical guides. Thanks for watching and happy Smartsheet exporting.